Okay guys, we're going to do some testing of the Prius Prime. Has the capability of charging the battery as we drive. We're going to see how many miles it takes to actually charge the battery. So we're going to actually put the car in charge mode now. And we press and hold the EVGA button on the dashboard. And then you'll see the charge indicator come on. And now we'll reset the trip. And we'll see how many miles it takes to actually charge the battery. And we're currently at 0.3 miles of charge. And this should be an interesting test, because we're going to come back. I'm not going to let you watch this the entire trip, but we'll be back and we'll see how many miles it takes to fully charge it. And I'm not going to change this at all. This is going to, in other words, the tripometer, the trip here is going to stay exactly as you see it, but a few miles later. I have to travel about 35 miles today, so I'm hoping it'll charge within the 35 miles. We'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, it actually took 33.5 miles. I got 38 miles to the gallon, and it charged it. Let me put it in drive. It charged it to 21.1 miles. So 21.1 is respectful. Now, if I try to charge again, it'll come up with an error message and say battery full. So it takes 35.5 miles to charge at about 80%.